In this lecture, we will talk about case statements in shell scripting. Case statements provide options for you to choose from in a script. The user is therefore asked in an interactive way whether they want to choose option A, B, or C. So if option A is selected, the case statement executes it. If option B is selected, it executes it in the same way as option A. So there are several alternatives for what exactly option A, B, or C will do. It is based on the variables you provide them. The majority of the installation programs are made up of case statements, and the scripts wait for the user input before selecting an option. Now for demonstration, I'm going to log into my Linux machine. Here's my home directory, and now I'll create a script file named case-script. First, I'll create a bash shell. Now I'll start creating case options. For this, first we'll print a statement that says, please choose one of them. After that, we will define the statements for user that tells the user options working or what the option does. Now, first echo the statement, which is enter 1 for showing current path. And then second statement is enter 2 for showing current date. Now all of this will simply be a display message that appears when the script is executed. Then use the read keyword for user input and create a variable named option that stores the user's choice. Now we'll create a case statement, then give the $sign and variable name, which is option. And after that, use the in keyword. Now we'll create choices. The first one is the command pwd, and the second one is the date command. When option 1 is selected, it will execute the command pwd. If 2 is selected, it will execute the command date. Now keep in mind that all of these are valid commands for your Linux operating system. If you run it individually, it will give you the path and date separately. But if you use this script, it will automate the process and choose these commands for you. Now we will save the file, make sure it has correct permissions, and we will run it. When you execute it, we'll see that it will prompt you, please choose one of them. So you have the list of options right here. Now you can see all the message displayed on the screen, like 1 is to display the path and 2 to display the date. It's nothing but an output on the screen. So now if we select 1 and hit enter, it will exit out the script and it gives you the current path. If you want to select other options, then run the script again. Now enter 2 and hit enter. Now it will display your current date. I hope you learned something useful in this lecture as well, and I will see you in the next one.